Dos, my Mr. Kabongo from the Congo. All right, what are we doing? So now we're still working with trig, right? You're still working with trig. So what we're gonna do? So I'm gonna make your life a little bit more easier. SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. It's my understanding he was. It's the name of this old person. I don't know. This says something about a Native American. I don't know. But here's what you can do. SOHCAHTOA can help you remember so much. See this S for sign, the O, opposite over hypotenuse. That's why you do it. So sine of whatever angle that they give you is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, the C, equals adjacent over hypotenuse. You with me? Tangent of the angle, whatever that they give you, will be opposite over adjacent. So just kind of like, if you want to just remember that, SOHCAHTOA, that would help. All right, let's put that into practice. Here we go. So they want me to do sine of G. Where is G? G is right here. I'm talking about this angle. All right, so sine. So there's SOA. All right. So, not so. Okay. So what does that mean? That means sine of whatever angle, which is G, will have to be the hypotenuse over the adjacent. I'm sorry, over the hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. That's what I meant to say. All right, so let's do this. G, what's opposite to G? Dum, 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 dum. That's opposite right here. What number is that? That's number 15. 15 over. All right, next is the hypotenuse. How do I find it? Hypotenuse is always across from the right angle. Boom, 17. So this is technically your answer. But, sometimes they might ask for decimal. Who knows, right? If they ask for decimals, then give them the decimals. And sometimes decimal should be so 0.8823. All right, we're good. Let's do the next one. Cosine. All right, cosine. So that was COA. Yeah, K8. Cosine of whatever angle, which is G, equals adjacent over hypotenuse. All right, cool. Let's do this thing. Where is my adjacent? Well, the adjacent in this case of G, what's next? Remember, adjacent means next, like your neighbor. All right, what's next to G? Directly next to G. It's not 17. It's this buddy right here, the 8. The 8 is the adjacent. So I'm going to put the 8 on top. The hypotenuse is always located across from the right angle. Boom. Technically, this is your answer. But then again, you never know. They might ask you for decimals, So you just write it out. 0.4706. All right. Last one. Tangent. So let me go ahead and erase what I put over here. All right. Tangent. Tangent is the one that's referring to as TOA. All right. TOA goes as the following. So we will say the O, which is stand for the opposites, right? Over this time the adjacent. Adjacent stands for the next one. All right. So of G. Okay. So where's the opposite? Dim, 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 dim. My friend, right there. That is your opposite. All right, great. What is my adjacent? Adjacent is directly next to it. What's directly next to the G? The 8. All right. This one, can you reduce that? No. So you can take that as an answer just like that. It all depends on what the question is specifically asking you. But 15 divided by 8, you did it with 1.875. All right. We're going to make your life easier. We're not going to complicate things. All right. So the most important thing you need to remember is this. SOA stands for, stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine stands for adjacent over hypotenuse. And then TOA is tangent, and that stands for O over adjacent. All right. Try the next one on your own.